Hello everyone, welcome to Cryptocoin Investor. In this video, we will be taking a look at Litecoin, particularly Litecoin USD as well as the Litecoin BTC pairs. What you're looking right now in the front of you, this is the 3D chart from Binance. What this means is every single bar represents 3 days of price action. And I've enabled a few indicators here, and this indicator is called Ishimoku indicator, which basically tells us where the resistance areas are. So right now, you can clearly see that the border of this cloud is somewhere around 256, 259, 259, 258 ish dollars, which perfectly aligns with our Fibonacci levels as well. So I drew this Fibonacci earlier today, and it also tells us where the further resistance areas are. So you can clearly see it says that we will face some resistance at $223, which we clearly did. We have tested this level back in September, twice actually, and then we almost touched it back in the second half of October. And then there are this little white line and red line. These are the moving averages of the Ichimoku indicator, and these basically act as resistance as well as support levels. So if a particular bar is above these levels, these two moving averages, they will start acting as support, and if you're below them, they will start acting as resistance. So we are above them, and they will now act as support, and which is somewhere around $190. Back in later part of October, we touched this very level and we bounced. So next level to look out for would be $223. Once we flip this level, the next level to look out for would be somewhere around $260. After that, $300 Litecoin would become a reality. So what if we have correction? What if we go below $190? Then in that case, the Fibonacci tells us that we have strong support at somewhere around $178, which also perfectly aligns with the border of this Ichimoku cloud, which is also at $182. So we have confirmation from two indicators here. Also nice to know that the MACD is on the green side, which shows that the bulls are still in control. So feel free to screenshot this. This is what I think would happen to Litecoin in the month of November 2021. Let's take a look at the Litecoin BTC pair real quick. So this is Litecoin BTC pair, and you can clearly see we are above this white line, which is very bullish for the Litecoin BTC pair. This also shows that we will face some resistance at somewhere around 0.00399. So 0.004 would be the area to look out for if you're on this pair. But I don't think that would be much of a resistance, because we have just flipped to the green side on the MACD, which is very nice for Litecoin, because this shows that the Litecoin is going to outperform BTC in terms of price action. So more gains are there to be made on the LTC BTC pair. It also shows that it would be wise to own Litecoin rather than Bitcoin right now. So it would make sense to allocate some of your Bitcoin holdings. If you're still holding on to Bitcoin, it would make sense to sell some of your BTC for LTC, at least for the month of November. This is what I would suggest. I'm not a price advisor, but this is what the chart is telling me. So that was my analysis of Litecoin for the month of November. Hope you found this video useful. Give this video a like and stay subscribed for more price analysis videos like these. Bye-bye.